you would like to make noise. So it is like one of those songs, make some noise. To make some noise. And I asked them to clap in the class, and I asked them to how to celebrate in my lectures. How to celebrate. If I crack what is known as a poor joke in IIT jargon, it is called a PJ. And I'm known for making poor jokes. I don't care who thinks what. Poor joke in a classroom is a big joke. You tell outside, no impact. But in a classroom, in a seminar, in a scientific conference, even a light-hearted joke is a big hit. Often it's a big hit. It depends on the crowd as well. So when I say crack a poor joke, make a contextual joke in the class, they are supposed to celebrate by tapping on the desk. And that's a German way of celebrating. The European way of gentle celebration, they tap on the desk. So, which I acknowledge, there is an interaction with the class. And then we have a switch on the desk. That's a piano switch, like this. Those kind of switch. On the desk for laptop charging. So all class will have something like 360 such switches. That's next mode of celebration. If the joke is even better, you can use the switch. So everyone will be tick, 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 tick. All class will create this resonance of switches turning on and off, and that is another mode of celebration. Then there is a different way of celebration. If the joke is so good, you can clap. You can clap in the class. And then I use this clap as an exercise when I begin to teach molecular orbital theory. When I begin to teach bonding concepts that orbitals overlap